Hi everyone, this is Connie from Connie's Nails and Creative Creations. Today I am taking part in Melissia Makes It DIY's Kiss, so it means Keep It Simple Sunday. So this is her channel and she is an amazing crafter, and I have taken part in this several times and I really enjoy doing it. So let's get right into this. Okay, so this is a video I taped a couple of weeks ago for a different collab that was canceled, so I'm just going to use it for this one. I've been sick, down in a lot of pain the last week and a half, so I have not been able to craft. So I'm taking this Dunkin' Donuts coffee container, and I kept looking at it and I'm thinking, this looks like a woman's shape. So we're going to do a topiary out of it. So I covered the whole thing with Mod Podge, and to give it something for the paint to stick to, because it's slick and I know the paint would just slide right off of it. Then I took that terracotta pot and I put 2 coats of white on it. And now I'm putting 2 coats of white on this Dunkin' Donuts coffee container. And then I'm going to mix a green and put over that. I'm trying to hide the color because the way I'm going to decorate it, I don't want any of that bright orange showing through. It will clash with the colors. And then I got a dowel and I just painted that as white as well. And here I am going with the first coat of the white on this. And later in this video, I did lose a little bit of footage, and I'll tell you when we get there and what it was that I lost. So this, to me, just screamed woman shape. So I have been a crafter for many years and a sewer. I used to make clothes for lots of people. And here is the color I made. I'm putting green and white, and I'm getting this really sagey green. But I used to, be a seamstress, and so I opened up my box of lace, and I'm going to use a lot of that, and I'll show you in a minute. Okay, so I'm just covering this, and it only needs the 1 coat because of the white being underneath it, and that was it. And I'm using my Darcy heat gun. And I have a link in my link tree, and that link is in the description box. And while we're talking about it, don't forget to go down to the description box. Down there I have the link to the playlist, to Melissia, her co-host, as well as all the other information that you'll need, my link tree, everything. Now I'm doing the bottom because I don't want anyone to see that bottom. So I'm putting Mod Podge over the whole thing to keep the paint from chipping, but I'm also going ahead and going to paint the bottom of that container as well. But I had to put the Mod Podge on there first, just so that the paint is going to adhere. So this was a lot of back and forth in doing this. I had to paint, dry, Mod Podge, dry, back and forth, back and forth. So, and here I am going ahead, and I end up putting 2 coats of the white, I think, on the bottom. And I can't remember if I put the green on the bottom. Well, we're going to find out, though, here in just a minute. There goes the second coat, and we're just going to see what I did. Because I do remember now, I did go ahead and put the green on the bottom just to make sure I had the green. It was available. Went ahead and just coated that bottom. Okay, now I took the foam, floral foam from Dollar Tree, and I put it in there, and that's where I lost some of my footage. So I got this really pretty ruffled material and lace, and I'm literally going to create a dress for this topiary. So I am just hot gluing it, and I'm just putting it around and around and around. Now, when I put that dowel in there, I used my wood burning tool, and I cut a hole in the bottom, melted a hole in the bottom, and used hot glue on the inside and the outside. I took the lid off and I put it on there. And I'm also got those florals, and I'm using white roses, and then I'm going to put a row of green leaves and white lace, and then I'm going to put a bow on the top. Now, I didn't want to cover the top with what I used for the dress, so I'm not sure if I show you, but I'm using white nautical rope from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to glue it on the top just to finish the top off so it doesn't look like a container. So here I am, got the leaves going, and I pulled those off of a lot of different flower arrangements, and I'm just doing a row of those. And then I'm going to also, when I put the roses, I've got the baby's breath that came from the Dollar Tree, and I end up putting that in there as well. See, there's the roses, and these are pure white roses. I've done many wedding receptions and weddings where I had to do boutonnieres, and there are a lot of them called for white roses. So I've always had lots of white roses. And I think these came from the Dollar Tree, but I couldn't be positive. I've had them for about 5 or 6 years or more. So, and those other roses were off-white, and I didn't want to use them, but I am using their leaves and the baby's breath off of those. And I'm just, like I said, I'm just filling this in, and I'm just going and going on this. Now that I get all the roses and all of the baby's breath in there, I grabbed these purple flowers. I don't even know, cannot remember what kind of flower it was. It was from the Dollar Tree though, and I just pulled them apart, and I'm using those above the flowers just to tie in the purple again. And then, like I said, I'm going to be putting some more lace, I think, across the top. I think it was just the white lace, and I think I ended up putting 2 rows across there. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give me a big thumbs up, and hit that notification bell. If you hit it twice, you have the option to see every time I upload, or just occasionally. That's totally up to you. And please don't forget to check out all the Melissa's channel, as well as her co-host channel, because we definitely don't want you to miss out on that. Now, when I get this all done, I'm going to put a ribbon. Oh, this actually, I'm using the purple lace. That's right, I had purple lace too. Purple and white lace. Then I make a bow at the top, and then I'm going to put some Spanish moss down in the bottom. So I'm just going to let you watch the rest of this and enjoy it. And here's that nautical rope that I ended up gluing on the top on a spiral. I just lost the footage when I did it. So, but that was it. Just finishes off the top. And please, I hope you guys really enjoyed this. I hope that you guys have a great day. And please be the Bible that somebody reads today. And you have a great day. Bye.